Guys, another video here today, and we just got this little editing app I like, and I just want to try it out. So yeah, I just wanted to try it out on stuff. So look, here is our house. God dang, that spiderweb's getting bigger. So here's our house, like this. Yeah, whenever I was little, I played here. So, but I still do, and I like it. I love my grandma's house, and I love her. So today we're going to McDonald's, so that's why I'm happy, and I want to make a vlog today. So, I just wanted to make a vlog is because today's a happy day. And like, not tomorrow, but the next day my mom's off, and the next day after that my mom's off. So I could bring my camera with me to vlog wherever I'm going, and I might like it, and y'all might like it and subscribe whenever y'all see it, and that's going to be coming up in a few more days, so, like in 2 more days. So, my mom said she has something planned, so I might be able to do it if we're going somewhere planned. So, as I was saying, please subscribe, have a comment, and please have something in the description to tell me, is it going to be fun or not? I don't know. Just say if it's going to be fun. Because I know it's going to be fun, but say something about it. So, that's all I got to tell you in this episode. Have a nice day. And as we were saying, Minecraft is going to be on this episode too. So, it's going to be on another episode. That's how I just wanted to try it out because that's like cool. It's a cool app. So, yeah, everybody's going to like this app because whenever I start getting it, I send it to upload to YouTube. You can just watch it first thing you see it on the thing. This video is going to be on the video, so this one's going to be on the editor. So, whenever you guys see it, it's going to be on while I'm saying this stuff right now. So, please subscribe, have a comment, and talk about how fun it's going to be in the description. Thank you. This is Ryan Landry's channel. Thanks for watching. Ask me to make more vlogs if you want me to. And I can actually tell you how to get a YouTube account, but way different than my last video I did for a YouTube account. So, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Stampy and and other people's channels. It doesn't matter what channel you subscribe. Just subscribe any channel. But really, subscribe me. I have only 4 subscribers. One of them is my sister. Another one's my sister. One of them's I don't know. Another one's I don't know. So, just subscribe, have a comment. Because I want to comment whoever subscribes so I can know who you are. Because I wonder. And I wonder. And I wonder. But I want your names on the bottom. Well, yeah, comment. So, I'll make more videos of my life, and I'll be playing The Sims free play, and The Sims Pets, and The Sims 4 Farming Simulator 15, and Farming Simulator regular, and Minecraft, and Call of Duty, and Call of Duty Black Ops 1 and 2. That's what Call of Duty I'm talking about, and other things wherever we go. So, thanks for watching this video. By the way, one more thing before I end this video. You guys